thought we would be doing this when he's a bit older, but I guess the time is now. We are making our own volcano today after some inspiration, and we are just getting ready. So we have our sad little volcano, and Victor's just getting ready, putting some extra stuff on the landscape. All right, Victor, squish it. Squish it all. Yeah. Keep squishing in the middle. Squish it inside. You can squish it on the paper, whatever you want to do. All right. All right. We filled our volcano with a little bit of vinegar, and now Victor's ready. Go ahead and put that baking soda. Oh, it's brewing. Add some more. You might need to add a little more vinegar. I was conservative on the ingredients here. All right, here you go. Pour that in there. Wow! Man, we still can't get it to erupt. Stir it with the spoon. I guess we need a lot more ingredients. This is like the third shot of vinegar we're adding. I'm using all my vinegar on this. Next time we need to add like a Mentos or something, because this takes way more than I thought. Stir it, Victor. Oh my gosh, this is so pathetic. Watch out. Okay, put it in. Yay, it's finally erupting! Hooray! Our volcano erupted. What do you think?
Again?
I think that's it. We're gonna use all our supplies. All right, put a bit more. Stir it with a spoon.
No.
Okay. And now we're just apparently scooping the rest of this baking soda into the volcano. Wow! Yeah, that's our volcano. Okay, we'll do more. All right, here you go. Okay. So pro tip, add a bit of dish soap for the bubbles to be more prominent. What do you think, Victor? Want more? Having fun? Oh, I'm glad you're having fun. Oh, I totally forgot. We brought all these balls and didn't even use them. Here, you want to add some more? Kind of anticlimactic. My goal was for the ball to like bubble out, but it did not. He likes it anyway. Okay, and then I was tired of using all my cleaning vinegar, so I just gave him a bucket of water with soap bubbles, and he's pretty content playing with that and his volcano contraption. That's our science morning! Say bye, Victor!